To a primetime news follow-up now. The girlfriend of the man charged for the contract-style killing of paralegal Sandra Risden along Washington Boulevard last month was denied bail today when she appeared in the court following her arrest yesterday for attempting to smuggle contraband into the Constant Spring lockup. The details in this report.
A meal packaged in a container. It's intended for Ojo Russell at the Constant Spring police lockup. On further inspection, the police discovered that not all its contents are edible. The 2-minute 30 seconds long video revealed hidden contraband, including 2 cell phones, a quantity of ganja, and other smoking accessories. The sender, Corrina Clark, was on Monday charged with the offense of introducing contraband into a lockup and unlawful possession of property. Ms. Clark, who is 6 months pregnant, was refused bail when she appeared before the St. Andrew Parish Court Tuesday afternoon. She is to return on March 5. Head of the St. Andrew North Police, Superintendent Sharika Service, told TVJ News that Ms. Clark will be detained at the South Camp Adult Correctional Facility instead of a regular lockup due to her pregnancy. In an interview last week, Ms. Clark insisted that Mr. Russell was not involved in the killing of paralegal Sandra Risden. She claims he was at home with her at the time of the incident. Ms. Risden was gunned down in traffic along Washington Boulevard on January 18 by men on a motorcycle. Mr. Russell was captured few hours later near 3 Miles. Sandy Williams, TVJ News.